Today we're making a mega ultra crispy triple stack double decker king size quadruple stack grilled cheese quesadilla burger. You're gonna need 3 largish, smallish, mediumish patties. Karen, next you're gonna need some potato bread, so I'll just go ahead and make some. Dust them. Wait for it. Wait for it. Didn't even know it hit them. Gonna go ahead and practice my flipping skills. Nice. Some cheddar. Double header. Try my other flipping skills. Grease time. Negative rain. Add some white stuff. More white stuff. Practice my flipping skills again. Nice. Quesadilla guillotine. Grilled cheese hockey puck. Mayolardo. Mustardo. Ketchupardo. Mixalardo. Squishalardo. Cortadilla, crap cheese, beef, tomato, lechuga. Picolardo, cortadilla, beef, cortadilla, tomato, lechuga, beef. The thing got really tall, so I'm just gonna add this stuff, some onions, smash it, done. I ran out of skewers, my knife is too short, so I'm just gonna use some pasta noodles. I heard these are a great edible alternative for some skewers. Perfect.